Hello guys. In this week's question, we need to find the values of two unknowns, x and y. In order to solve for two unknowns, we first need two equations, which the question has given to us. We shall first label them equations 1 and 2 for convenience. Since equation 2 is clearly more complex than equation 1, we'll start by simplifying equation 2 first. From equation 2, we can subtract 3 from both sides so that the algebraic terms remain on one side of the equation and the constant on the other side. Recall that we can always perform the same operation to both sides of an equation to maintain the equality. This is also known as algebraic manipulation. To add fractions, recall that the denominator has to be the same so that the parts are of the same size before we can add or subtract. Since the lowest common denominator of 2 and 3 is 6, we make equivalent fractions by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator of 2x over 3 by 2, and multiply the numerator and the denominator of 3y over 2 by 3. This gives us 4x minus 9y over 6 equal to negative 3. To get rid of the 6 in the denominator, we simply need to multiply both sides of the equation by 6. We can now label this equation 3. Now we look at equation 1. We notice that the coefficient of y is 1, so it is easy to make y the subject by subtracting 6x from both sides of the equation. Since we now know that y is equal to 60 minus 6x, we can substitute this value of y into equation 3 to solve for x. Replacing y with 60 minus 6x, we simply expand, simplify and solve to find the value of x, which is 9. A gentle reminder not to stop here as we still have to look for y. Recall that y is equal to 60 minus 6x, so by substituting x with 9, we can easily find y to be equal to 6. So the answer to this question is x equal to 9 and y equal to 6. Did you get the same answer?